For today's video, we will show you how to trade Bitcoin and Phemex. So let's begin. Now, on your mobile device, open the app and log in using your credentials. Or if you're here on your computer, go to Phemex.com and log in. Alright, so there are three ways for you to trade Bitcoins and Phemex. Number one is going to be the spot trading. So this is the most immediate purchase of sale and digital assets where the transaction occurs on the spot. And it's the most common form of trading where individuals here buy or sell cryptocurrencies at the current marketplace. Okay. Now you need to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports spot trading, which is number one of them is Phemex. All right. Sign up for an account here and complete all the procedures and set up your payment method to deposit your funds right here. You can buy and sell here. Okay. Next on our list is simply what we call the contract trading. Now, contract trading refers to trading derivative products like futures, options, swaps, right here, and perpetual contracts. So these are financial instruments where you don't directly buy or sell the underlying cryptocurrency, but rather speculate on its price movement. All right. So there are different types of contracts. Say, for example, future contracts, option contracts, and perpetual contracts. All right. So right here. Next on our list is going to be what we call the margin trading crypto. So this one involves borrowing funds from a broker or an exchange to increase the size of your position in a trade. Now it allows traders right here to leverage their positions, potentially amplifying profits or losses. So buy and sell, there's a limit in market and conditional right here. Now moving along, that's basically how you trade Bitcoin and Phemex. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.